The process of organizing physical photos almost always happens at the same time that we're scanning your photos. And when we start, it typically looks something like this: boxes, bins, and envelopes of photos. It's a chaotic mess, but a precious mess. Then we use a variety of techniques to sort and organize your photos chronologically. This way, everything that belongs together stays together. And it also matches up with how we deliver your scanned images for your computer. In the end, we turn those crazy boxes into something like this, where everything is labeled beautifully, it's all reboxed in archival storage, and it typically takes up about half the space of the originals because everything's so organized and efficient. I love everything we do at Chaos to Memories, but delivering a finished project like this is one of my proudest moments, knowing that all your photos are safe, organized, and ready to enjoy again.